everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for the latest NordVPN discount codes and promo deals for 2025, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save up to 69% off and even get 1 month free on your subscription. Let's dive in. NordVPN is currently running an exclusive offer. You'll get 69% off on the 2-year plan. On top of that, you'll also receive 1 extra month completely free. All you need to do is use the promo code NORD2025 at checkout. I've included a verified link in the description box below so you can grab this offer instantly without wasting time on expired coupons. Now, if you're wondering why so many people choose NordVPN, here are a few quick reasons. Checkmark, privacy, and security. NordVPN keeps your data safe with military-grade encryption. Streaming access, unlock Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and more without restrictions. Speed. Their servers are optimized for ultra-fast connections, so no buffering. Global coverage. Over 6,000 plus servers in 60 plus countries, which is huge. 24/7 support. You're always covered if you need help. Honestly, if you're looking for a VPN that balances performance, security, and price, NordVPN is one of the best choices in 2025. And with this discount, you're paying just a fraction of the normal price. But here's the catch. These deals are time limited. Once the campaign ends, the 69% off plus 1 month free may not be available. So if you want to lock in the savings, make sure to check the link in the description right after watching this video. That's it for today's update. If this video helped you save money on NordVPN, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech deals and promo codes, and drop a comment letting me know if you grabbed the offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Blast.